안녕하세요, 은채입니다. Hi guys, this is Brazel, and it's been a very long time since I've come to upload a craft tutorial. I know many of you have been waiting for me to come back on my YouTube, but I'm not even sure if you guys are here anymore because it's been almost like 2 years. Every time I come on YouTube, I've been saying the same thing, that I'll try to upload videos often. But I feel that it's all been excuses lah, huh? I promise that my passion for whatever I've been doing in the past has not died. Okay, so I'm still like very much in love with doing like YouTube videos and crafts or arts, you can call it. I'm trying to work on a website, but I'll keep it a secret for now. Today, I'm here to teach you guys how to do a very simple and quick album for pressed flowers. You can also do this album for other stuff, so it may not be pressed flowers, it can be anything. It's up to you, up to your own creativity. I had this bunch of pressed flowers lying around, so I decided to make an album out of it to keep it properly. And yeah, because these baby breaths are like from my friend, so it's very precious. So let me show you guys the album. This is the album, and it's very simple. So basically I chose my exteriors to be white in color, and for the inner pages I use some black cardstocks, and for the frames I use pattern design cardstocks. This is acrylic clear sheet, or you can use like plastic sheets, it's up to you. Then I use white pen to doodle and decorate the pages. Then I stick on some decoratives. Yep. To make this album, you will only need like cardstocks, basic materials like scissors, pen knife, double-sided tape. Is really not complicated. You can easily make it within a couple of hours or a few, depending on how much time you want to spend on this. So the flowers were already pressed a couple of months ago. I took fresh baby breath and I placed them in between cardstocks, and then I placed stacks of and piles and stacks of heavy stuff on top to press it. Typically you have to leave it there for about a couple of weeks. Yeah, but I left it there for like almost a month, but I still went to check on the flowers, alright. Shall we move on to the tutorial? Let's go! Yay! Alright, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to come out with explosion box designs, and I know there are a few tutorials that you guys have been wanting me to do, but I will slowly try and do them. As you guys know, it's COVID-19, it's pretty much a serious worldwide pandemic issue. I hope you guys are staying healthy and yeah, stay home, stay safe. Many other countries, I believe, are in lockdown situations. Even in Singapore, we are not having a lockdown, but we have this thing called circuit breaker. Not sure if some of you guys have seen the news. Some people call it partial lockdown. Most people are working from home, including myself. So yeah, I have all the time in the world to try and do the things that I've always loved. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial or video. Bye! Thanks for watching!